A janitor heard a strange noise from a closet door, but what he found inside put the whole school in chaos. Mr. Daniels was the janitor at Westbrook High School. He was quiet and hard-working. He cleaned rooms, fixed things, and kept the school clean. But one week, he started hearing strange noises. Every day at lunch, he passed a small closet in the science wing. The door was always locked. From inside, he heard soft clicking, beeping, and a low hum. At first, he thought it was just old pipes, but the sound came back every day. After 3 days, he told the school principal. The principal didn't listen and said he was wasting time. Feeling worried, Mr. Daniels told a few students. Most laughed at him, but one boy, Leo, believed him. At lunch, they went to the closet. Mr. Daniels used his master key and unlocked the door. When the door opened, what they saw shocked them. Click the like button and comment Closet Mystery for Part 2.